The self. The self is usually spoken of as the ego or the soul. Self-analysis and self-synthesis are ways to a greater emotional stability and positive thinking. Mind is a wonderful force inherent in the self. The self-system is built up and evolved by experiences and interactions with one's environment. No personality can exist in absence of I. I is inherent in the mind. The various levels of the human mind. I. Simply existence. I am. Identity with existence. I feel that I am. Feeling of separate entity. I know what I am. Introspection about I. The science of creative intelligence promotes the self from these stages to the ultimate stage of consciousness, where purified I merges with the universal reality. This is a process for peace with oneself and ultimately peace with others. Intensives for peace. The purpose of intensives is to enhance the process of becoming aware. The goal of intensives is to bring peace to the mind and nourish love for the inner self. In the intensives, one may get right understanding, direct experience and knowledge of our true self. The intensive is like a vehicle with 4 wheels. Chief intensive is Om, the symbol of peace. Faith is the bird that fills the light and sings when the dawn is still dark. Rabindranath Tagore. And the moods of Kailash. Meditation. Holistic medicine for peace. Buddha's meditation. The first and main wheel is meditation. No matter what arises in the mind, good or bad, positive or negative, it all comes from the same source and the same stuff. Do not try to wash away mental impurities. Turn your attention towards the inner witness of your thoughts. Meditate on that being who watches the play of the mind. There should be no preconditions for meditation. True meditation is not something you learn. It happens spontaneously in the atmosphere of a being, established in the state of meditation. 2 types of meditation. Tratak meditation. Passive meditation. The silence of the nature is very real. It surrounds you. You can feel it. 1. Passive meditation. Adopting a certain mental state to invoke a mood requires serene and calm thoughts. It is a healing meditation. 2. Active meditation. It is known as the science of creative intelligence in the present world. A. Transcendental meditation to project thoughts or words as in visualization to achieve material benefits. Reciting Om in transcendental meditation. B. Sound meditation. Nishpanda Bhava is a state of mind without motion. In it, we plan a conscious effort to establish control over the mind. We listen to various sounds and follow them to their culmination. Universal prayer. Symbol of prayer is Om. The next wheel of intensive is the prayer. Leads to meditation. It is the voice of the soul, circulates throughout the body, purifying by permeating each and every particle. Asana. The third wheel of the intensive is the asana. To sit still in Padmasana or Sukhasana purifies the various constituents of the body. Shavasana, or the corpse posture that relaxes the body and mind. Pranayama, power of sun and power of moon. The fourth wheel of that intensive is the pranayama, the breathing process. The base type of pranayama is the natural flow of the breath. The aim of pranayama is to make the breathing even and to make the mind steady in meditation. Breathe in and breathe out naturally. Let it happen by itself using the sound Om dash O in inhalation and M in exhalation in the equal ratio. So each intensive is a natural journey to the attainment of internal peace at oneself and ultimately with others.